Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Age estimation by bone is by skeletal age. We use skull, pelvis, and long bones. Skull. Age from the skull is determined by fusion of skull sutures. Fusion occurs both endocranially and ectocranially. Most reliable fusion is by endocranial fusion. Endocranial fusion mainly begins at 5 to 10 years earlier than ectocranial fusion. Among the sutures of the skull, most successful estimate is done by sagittal suture, followed by lambdoid suture, followed by coronal suture. Best estimation is done by sagittal suture. Sometimes there is persistent suture without fusion of ectocranial surface, which is called as lapsed union or non-fusion of ectocranial surface. So, suture which is more commonly known for lapsed union is sagittal surface. Sagittal suture fuses in three separate installments, that is, three separate parts: anterior, middle, and posterior. Anterior part fuses at 40 to 50 years of age, middle part fuses at 50 to 60 years of age, and posterior part fuses at 30 to 40 years of age. Fusion of basi-occiput with basi-sphenoid is at 18 to 21 years of age.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about